Begin by using a can of whole peeled Roma tomatoes and crushing them. I prefer canned tomatoes because it guarantees that they were picked ripe, and I'd rather not play the guessing game when I'm making a dish based on the flavor of tomatoes. But that's me. Mince a head of garlic and add it to a pan with a 1/4 cup of good olive oil on low heat. You don't want the garlic to brown much at all. You're just infusing the flavor into the oil. If you plan on using crushed red pepper, add it now. I used about a 1/2 teaspoon. Now I don't want it spicy. I'm just looking for a little kick. Add a teaspoon of oregano and add your crushed tomatoes and all the liquid from the can. Place a few stems worth of basil on top. I removed the stems of the basil, but apparently you don't have to. Salt and taste as you go. Once the desired consistency and flavor is reached, blend it and enjoy. Have it with pasta or use it in other sauces. It's delicious and fresh tasting. The garlic and basil make it absolutely irresistible with a hint of heat in the back from the pepper. The only place where you can run into issues is burning the garlic. So just keep an eye on it and you'll be okay.